Welcome to Focal Point. We're a vertically integrated manufacturer of architectural luminaires and acoustic solutions used in offices, healthcare facilities, schools, and other commercial environments. This means that from industrial design to engineering to manufacturing to testing to shipping, we make it all happen right here in Chicago. All collaborating, all joined by hallways, not highways. It all starts here, where our creative minds devise solutions to improve acoustics and enhance architecture. Our industrial design and engineering teams have a direct access to a manufacturing facility. They can easily prototype and test products that will offer superior performance, ease of installation, and pleasing aesthetics. Our integrated lighting and acoustic solutions are designed with a Luminaire-first approach. They incorporate all the advantages of specification-grade luminaires with powerful light engines and precise optics, and the superior acoustical performance offered by our AirCore patent-pending technology. AirCore Technology maximizes sound absorption while minimizing material use and provides a lightweight structure for acoustic products. Our manufacturing process starts with receiving the materials required for luminaires and acoustic solutions. Skilled operators using specialized equipment, including laser cutters and precision metal fabrication machines, transform sheet metal and extrusions into luminaire components. Lenses are cut in a dedicated temperature and humidity controlled room to ensure a perfect fit and eliminate light leaks. When ready, the luminaire components are sent through our paint lines. Luminaires are now ready to receive components such as LEDs and drivers, and to get wired and tested. Thorough end-of-line testing is performed on each and every luminaire. A large dedicated area with specialized equipment is used for the fabrication and assembly of the acoustic solution lit and unlit products. Zones are dedicated to different types of products, such as linear baffles, ceiling tiles, or pendants. Our design team is always working on new product concepts, and this is where we test them. Ample raw material inventory enables quick turnaround of orders. Each product, standard or custom, is built to specification, and any shape can be cut quickly from a CAD drawing, including straight or angled cuts and curves. This precision, combined with our unique construction and assembly process, guarantees a seamless appearance for individual units or long continuous runs. Our patent-pending AirCore technology not only procures superior acoustical performance, it also results in a lighter weight product that is easier to install and requires less material, minimizing environmental impact. Once the assembly of the acoustic material is complete, the lit units are tested a second time. Because we place such a strong emphasis on quality and performance, we perform testing on-site and also work with third-party accredited laboratories. This includes photometric testing, as well as thermal compliance, reliability, and load testing done in our UL certified lab. Comprehensive ASTM C423 reports are provided for all acoustic solution products tested in collaboration with Riverbank Acoustical Laboratories. Finally, orders are prepared for shipment. Several acoustic solution products can be bulk packaged, minimizing ecological impact and saving time on the job. Telescoping boxes and other eco-friendly packaging is used for products that must be packaged individually. This is how, every day, relying on over a quarter of a century's experience in interior architecture, we bring it all to light with products that offer superior performance, integrate flawlessly with architecture, enhance interiors, and create more comfortable environments where people work, heal, learn, and play. Focal Point, bringing it all to light.